Campari Cupid is brought to you by
Campari, respect the bitter. Must be 18 years old to drink responsibly.
Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart. For me, nobody but me. Cupid.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. What's up? I'm your host / bartender, Ashley M, and welcome to the Campari Cupid Bar. So I have a surprise for anyone that steps into my bar tonight. A little razzle and a little dazzle for the Valentine's Day evening. They get to participate in a game show. How well do you know your boo? That's what I want to know. Oh, hi guys. Welcome to the Campari Cupid Bar. I'm Ashley, and I'll be your bartender for the evening. What are your names?
I'm Marissa Wright Williams.
And I'm John Asher Williams.
Okay, so Mr. and Mrs.
Williams.
Wow, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Williams, I see you're proud of that. Okay, so it's a good thing that a couple stepped into my bar tonight because I do have something up my sleeve. Asher, do you feel like you know Marissa like the back of your hand?
Definitely.
Definitely, okay. And Marissa, what about you? You think you know your hobby?
I think
and
so.
everything about him?
I think so.
I am going to put that to the test tonight. But before we get into that, right? I want to know what you guys are drinking. So tonight I have Campari and Ting and Campari and cranberry juice.
Campari and Ting for me.
Same.
Same? All right, cool. So I want to get to know you guys a little bit better before we step into the game show. So how did you meet?
We met at a mutual friend's house.
You have her story and you have the true story.
Maybe we want the true story, but why isn't her story true?
It's somewhat true, you know, but we met at a mutual friend's house, but she was thirsty for me.
It's a good thing I'm pouring you a drink. Okay, so how long have you been married?
1 year.
1 year?
Yes.
Nice, so it's fresh, it's nice, it's new. And how has marriage life been for the year?
Perfect.
Amazing,
Excellent.
amazing.
Yeah? What makes it so amazing?
Just waking up to him every morning.
Oh, it's a nice place to wake up to.
Yes.
So how do you guys usually spend Valentine's Day?
We usually go on like a date.
On a date? So tonight is a little different for you?
Yeah.
A little more exciting, you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
All right, so let me tell you the rules of the Campari Cupid game. Marissa, you will leave with your Campari cocktail, and I'm going to ask Asher a few questions. You're going to come back, right, and join him, and we'll see how well his answers match up with your answers. You get a point for each match. Then Asher is gonna leave. We're gonna ask you questions. He's gonna come back, and then we're gonna see how well your answers match again. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
You feel like you know each other?
Yeah.
That good?
Yeah.
You're gonna get all points.
100.
Across the board.
All of
Can't
across the
promise.
board.
She's one to watch out for. So you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye, Marissa.
Bye.
Take your cocktail with you.
Make me proud.
Nervous?
No.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, so here are your 7 questions. The first one is, if Marissa could have any superpower, what would it be?
Wow.
You said you were ready, you know? You said you were ready.
Any superpower?
Yes, what would it be?
Power to make money.
The power to make money, all right? Where did you have your first real kiss?
TJ.
TGI. Okay, interesting. If Marissa could have one meal for the rest of her life, what would it be?
Indian food.
Indian food. Anything specific?
Singapore fish.
Singapore fish. All right. Who would Marissa say is more romantic in your relationship?
Huh. Interesting. Who would she say?
Who would she say is more romantic in your relationship?
I want to say me.
She would say you are more romantic.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What's one thing in your house that you are dying to get rid of, but Marissa won't let it go?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. All right, let's just say she don't have anything she wants to let go.
Okay, let's go with that. I can come back to that one.
Yeah, let's come back. All right, we can come back to it. All right, and what did you think Marissa would say was the first thing you noticed about her?
Her bottom.
Okay. Okay. And lastly, what is Marissa's most prized possession?
Apart from me?
I just knew you were going to say that. But yes, apart from you,
I want this for me.
you're her most prized possession. So we're going to double back to the other question. What's the one thing in your house that you want to get rid of, but Marissa doesn't?
TV in the bedroom.
TV in the bedroom. All right, cool, no problem. All right, those were your questions. How you feel like you did?
I think I can get like a B plus.
A B plus. So we've locked in your answers, and we're gonna see how well you know your wife after the break. Campari Cupid soon come.
Cupid, Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go.
Prettiest girl in the world, pretty like lemons and pearl. Prettiest girl in the world, your ear curl, and I'm not Jerry curl.
Basically, I know that she likes water, so I can carry her to the beach. See if I can surprise her with a homemade meal and thing, and buy her some roses and get some candles and light it up. Yeah?
Sleeping in my bed. Yeah, I'll be in bed, really, because I don't have work. You know, it's a holiday. I wanted to go to the river with my friends, but that's not gonna work out. So I'll be in bed.
Going with Pauline here, my girlfriend, and we are going to the cinema and have some going to the lunch, to the restaurant. Sorry, my English is really bad. Well, for my Valentine's, I'll be making money, but big up to every Valentine's out there, red and white. You know the style. One pick up, true to life, is not a stick up. One pick up. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Loving those answers. Welcome back, everyone, to Campari Cupid. So earlier, I asked Asha 7 questions about his wife, Marissa. So let's see if he got them right. Guys, are you ready?
Ready?
Ready. Marissa, how you going to feel if him gets any wrong?
I don't even know.
I'm going to tell you though, he did kind of fumble and stumble on a few of them, but we got there eventually. Yes, so Asha, I took the liberty of writing down your answers in the break, so you can double back to them if you need to. All right, Marissa, here is question 1. So I'm going to ask you, you're going to answer. We're going to see how the answers match up, right? Question 1. If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
To see the future to win the Super Lotto.
Okay. Asha, show your answer. The power to make money. We want to give them that point. All right, we're gonna give you that point. Okay, that's good. All right. So the second question is, where did you have your first real kiss?
Oh, I was going to say TGI.
Bam, bam,
Right, right on the money. So he's making you proud so far, right? Okay. So the third question, if you could have one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Singapore fish and cheese naan.
I'm actually blown away right now, like blown away.
You're not doing so bad.
You're not doing bad at all. Like, you're actually doing really well. So next one is, who would you say is more romantic in your relationship?
Me. Not me?
So Asha voted for himself on that one. So why do you think you're the more romantic one in the relationship?
I think because I live in a fairy tale and I always,
Yeah, but I smooth and, I have the, sugar, the sweetness.
The sugary sweetness. Okay, so question 5 is the one that threw Asha for a loop.
Oh my God.
We had to double back to it. He didn't understand the question. He got confused. He was flustered. But question 5 is, what's one thing in your house that he is dying to get rid of, but you want to keep?
That he's dying to get rid of?
Yes, but you can't let it go.
It's usually the opposite. He's dying to get rid of.
Yes, but you can't let it go.
I don't know. It can't be my pillow. I don't know. Dying to get rid of. Plant?
Okay, so I guess we can say you guys are very, very similar with this question because neither of you really have an idea, but he said,
Why you'd want to get rid of the TV in the bedroom?
no, answer the question, why?
The bedroom is a sanctuary, so it's supposed to be just love and us, no distractions.
Okay. I don't agree.
You don't agree?
No,
We know,
we need
we
a
know,
TV.
we know.
All right, so the next question is, what do you think you would say was the first thing Asha noticed when he saw you?
It can be either two answers. And I don't know which one it is. Which one is it? Did you see me face on or behind?
You're on the right track so far. You're on the right
I
track.
don't know which one. At my bum?
Ah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And the last question is, what is your most prized possession? I'm excited for this answer.
Prized possession. What's my most prized possession? Yes. I don't know.
You don't know?
Most prized possession?
What you cherish or you hold dear to you?
You?
Not the coercing. All right, guys, so you did really well. 5 right and 2 wrong. Were you disappointed with the answers he got incorrect?
No.
No? Okay. All right. So, Asha, it's your turn to leave us. Grab your Campari cocktail and head on out.
Make me proud, darling.
All right, Marissa. So, Asha is gone, and you're still the wife that knows everything, right?
Most things.
Most things. All right. So, here are your 7 questions. Number 1. Which vacation spot is on Asha's bucket list?
Europe.
Europe.
Ibiza, to be specific.
Specific? Okay.
Spain.
All right. Who is Asha's celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush. I always ask him this question and he never wants to answer. Who's his celebrity crush? All right, we can skip and come back.
All right, let's skip and come
Okay.
back. Okay. What would Asha say is your most annoying habit?
That English are too fast.
You're too fast.
Yes,
Okay.
I ask him a lot of questions.
Okay. Which artist would he say is more talented, Vybz Kartel or Massacre?
Oh, I don't know the answer to that one.
Which one?
I said I'd pick Vybz Kartel.
Vybz Kartel. All right, cool. Curry gravy or oxtail gravy on fried chicken?
Curry gravy.
Curry gravy, okay. If Asha could listen to one song for the rest of his life, what would it be?
One song.
One song for the rest of his life.
Don't know.
No? When you guys work out, is there a song that him draw for?
I know a song that's a so. Alright, I'll pick Blinding Lights.
Blinding Lights?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is the better cook in the relationship?
Asha.
Asha, okay. All right, so we're going to double back, right? Who is his celebrity crush?
I would say Shensia.
Shensia.
But he's going to argue on it, but I would say Shensia.
Yes, Shensia. All right, Mrs. Williams, your answers are locked in. Round 2 is looking hot. So we're going to see how well you really know your husband. Asha joins us at the bar after this break. Campari Cupid, we'll be right back.
Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go.
You're back with us on Campari Cupid, and the lovebirds have reunited. I'm sure Asha cannot wait to hear Marissa's answers. Marissa, are you nervous or very confident that your answers will match?
A little nervous.
You're a little nervous? Okay, well, I wrote your answers down for you so you can double back if anything. Asha, I thought Marissa was the thirsty one in the room.
Right?
All right, so Asha, you ready to see if your wife really knows you?
Ready.
Okay, so the first question is, which vacation spot would be on your bucket list?
On my bucket.
On your bucket list, yes.
So, definitely in Europe, so Ibiza.
Good job, good job. Next question, who is your celebrity crush?
Yeah.
Marissa did mention that you guys don't really, you know.
Incriminating question, you gotta try, you know. I don't really have a celebrity
But
crush.
if you could pick somebody.
But I'd probably pick Shensia.
Wow! Marissa, why were you nervous? You know the man. You know the man. What would you say is Marissa's most annoying habit?
Most annoying.
Yes, she was very confident about this one.
You say all the time.
Her most annoying habit.
Her most annoying habit.
Because I asked me too much questions.
There we go.
Same. I try to ask too much questions.
Yep, she definitely said that. Next question is, which artist would you say is more talented, Vybz Kartel or Massacre?
Oh, Carter.
Good job, Marissa.
I thought it was
Yeah.
maybe Bavado.
That's exactly the conversation that we had as well. So, curry gravy or oxtail gravy on your fried chicken?
Curry gravy.
Marissa. If he could listen to one song for the rest of his life, what would it be?
That one, yeah.
This one stumped her a little bit.
Yeah, that one yeah, stumped me too.
Stumped you too?
Blinding Lights, The Weeknd.
Good job. Are you guys married? Okay. Next question is, who is the better cook in the relationship?
Oh, me for sure.
Most definitely. And that's it.
Wow.
7 of 7.
I would win no.
No, we won.
You won,
We
but
won.
you know.
Yeah. Wow.
7 of 7. So I can say that Marissa, you feel like you know your
I
husband
know
more
my
than he knows
husband
you.
more like the back of my hand.
Okay, so she got all of them right. How does that make you feel?
No, I'm very, very good, very encouraging. You know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You were nervous? You were nervous for
I got
nothing?
some wrong.
You were nervous for
We deserve
nothing?
a date for like maybe February 14th, so can go out and do something.
Yeah, like Valentine's Day?
Like Valentine's Day.
We can drink some Campari cocktails too?
Yeah, definitely.
I agree. Marissa and Asha, I want to thank you guys for being such good sports and playing my bar game, Campari Cupid. I feel like you guys did really well and you probably learned a little bit about each other, yeah?
Yeah, you don't want no TV in the bedroom.
Okay. All right, and of course, we can't let you leave empty-handed, so we have gifts. A couple Swedish massage, courtesy of Day and Night Beauty Limited, 2 gift cards from Gift Me, 2 gift baskets, courtesy of our sponsor, Campari, and a dinner for 2 at Steakhouse on the Veranda. Before we go, we head back to the streets for what I call the declaration of love.
Cupid, draw back your bow.
Hi, Valentine's. Yeah, man, Valentine's a day of love, so that day I will give love. Only for love.
My plans for Valentine's Day is to get up and make my hubby some nice dinner. I make him one little present, you don't know the thing go. Yeah.
So my plan for Valentine's is that I think I'm going to take my wife to Portland Beach, yes? We're going to do something nice there. First, we're going to get up early in the day, do a nice little choreo to a nice little love song, I think. What song it is? I think it's Rose's thing there. Lady in Red is dancing with me. Yeah, so we're going to be dancing to that song, a nice little choreo. And then after we go to a nice little restaurant at the end. Yes?
We really have a plan still, but I plan to carry out one girl for Valentine's Day and treat her good, innit? Get somewhere nice, enjoy herself.
If you were mine, I'll give you everything.
From the very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello and I said hi. I knew right there you were the one.
I'm your host, Ashley M, and I hope Cupid is good to you this Valentine's. See ya!